Are you ready to ignite your wanderlust and embark on an unforgettable journey? Imagine a land where vibrant culture meets breathtaking natural wonders, where every corner holds a new discovery. Argentina isn't just a destination, it's an experience that will captivate your senses and leave an indelible mark on your soul. Dive headfirst into Buenos Aires, a city pulsating with an irresistible energy. This isn't just a capital, it's a living, breathing testament to art, history, and an unyielding zest for life. Prepare to be swept away by its charm and endless possibilities. Wander through La Boca's Caminito, where brightly painted houses tell tales of immigrant dreams and tango rhythms spill onto the cobblestone streets. Feel the vibrant spirit of local artists and street performers, creating an atmosphere unlike anywhere else. Every step is a photo opportunity, a splash of color against the sky. Next, find serene beauty amidst the grandeur of Recoleta Cemetery, an architectural marvel housing ornate mausoleums and the resting place of Perón. It's a city within a city, offering a fascinating glimpse into Argentina's past and its enduring legacy. The intricate sculptures and quiet pathways invite contemplation. As dusk falls, immerse yourself in the intoxicating world of tango. Witness a mesmerizing show in a historic venue, feeling the raw emotion and precision of each step. Or, better yet, take a beginner's class and let the music guide your own feet, connecting with this passionate dance form. The city's legendary nightlife beckons with its late-night dinners, bustling bars, and vibrant clubs. Porteños know how to live, and their infectious energy will draw you into a world of endless celebration. Experience the true meaning of living in the moment as the city comes alive after dark. Prepare to be humbled by the sheer power and majesty of Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder that defies description. Standing before these colossal cascades, you'll understand why they are considered one of the most spectacular sights on Earth. It's an experience that truly awakens the senses. Walk the intricate network of jungle trails, feeling the mist on your face and hearing the distant roar grow louder with every step. The lush subtropical rainforest teems with exotic birds, colorful butterflies, and playful coatis, adding to the immersive natural experience. Every turn reveals a new, breathtaking vista. The highlight is undoubtedly the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm where an astounding volume of water plunges into the abyss. Stand on the viewing platform, feeling the thunderous vibrations and witnessing the raw, untamed force of nature. It's an awe-inspiring spectacle that will leave you speechless. The sheer scale of Iguazu, straddling the border between Argentina and Brazil, is mind-boggling. Over 275 individual falls create a panoramic curtain of water stretching for nearly 3 kilometers. This natural amphitheater showcases the planet's incredible geological artistry. Allow ample time to explore both the Argentine and Brazilian sides for different perspectives, each offering unique views and photo opportunities. The Argentine side provides closer, more intimate encounters with the falls, while the Brazilian side offers sweeping panoramic vistas. It's a symphony of sight and sound. Journey south to the rugged, untamed beauty of Patagonia, where ancient glaciers carved their way through dramatic landscapes. This is a land of epic scale, where nature reigns supreme and the air is crisp with the scent of adventure. Prepare for a truly monumental encounter. The star attraction is the magnificent Perito Moreno Glacier in Los Glaciers National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This isn't just any glacier, it's one of the few advancing glaciers in the world, constantly reshaping its icy face. Its sheer size and dynamic nature are astounding. Stand on the extensive network of walkways and witness the incredible phenomenon of calving. Massive chunks of ice, some the size of multi-story buildings, crack and collapse into the turquoise waters of Lago Argentino below. The thunderous roar echoes across the landscape, a sound you'll never forget. Consider taking a boat tour that brings you even closer to the glacier's towering front wall. Feel the chill radiating from the ice and marvel at the intricate blue hues within its depths. It's an intimate perspective on this colossal natural wonder, revealing its immense power. For the truly adventurous, embark on a mini trekking or ice hiking excursion directly onto the glacier itself. Strapping on crampons and walking on ancient ice is an unparalleled experience, offering a unique connection to this frozen world. It's an adventure that will challenge and reward you. Lace up your boots and head to Chaltén, proudly known as Argentina's hiking capital. Nestled in the heart of Los Glaciers National Park, this charming mountain town is the gateway to some of the most iconic and breathtaking trails in the world. It's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The majestic Mount Fitzroy, with its jagged granite spires, dominates the skyline, beckoning adventurers from across the globe. Its iconic silhouette is a constant companion on many trails, inspiring awe and providing a dramatic backdrop to your Patagonian explorations. The views are simply unparalleled. Embark on trails ranging from easy strolls to challenging multi-day treks, all offering unparalleled views of Fitzroy and the equally stunning Cerro Torre. Each path promises a unique perspective of this rugged wilderness, revealing hidden lagoons, ancient forests, and panoramic vistas. The air is pure and invigorating. The Laguna de los Tres hike is a must-do, leading you to a glacial lake at the base of Fitzroy, offering arguably the most iconic view of the peak. The effort is rewarded with a postcard-perfect panorama that will take your breath away. It's a truly iconic Patagonian experience. Even if you're not an experienced hiker, there are plenty of shorter, accessible trails that provide incredible views without extreme exertion. Chaltén caters to all levels, ensuring everyone can experience the magic of this pristine environment. The town itself offers a cozy, welcoming atmosphere after a day on the trails. Immerse yourself in the passionate embrace of tango, Argentina's most iconic cultural expression. More than just a dance, tango is a story, a feeling, a way of life that originated in the bustling streets of Buenos Aires. It's an art form that speaks directly to the soul. Begin your tango journey by taking a class in Buenos Aires, learning the fundamental steps and feeling the rhythm in your own body. Even a single lesson can unlock a new appreciation for the dance's complexity and emotional depth. It's a fun and engaging way to connect with local culture. Seek out a traditional Milonga, a social dance event where locals gather to dance tango. Observe the intricate etiquette, the subtle invitations, and the profound connection between partners. It's an authentic glimpse into the heart of tango culture, a truly local experience. For a truly unforgettable evening, attend a professional tango show, often accompanied by a delicious dinner. Witness the breathtaking skill, dramatic flair, and raw emotion of world-class dancers and musicians. The costumes, the music, and the passion create an electrifying atmosphere. Tango is more than just steps, it's a dialogue between two people, a reflection of life's joys and sorrows. It embodies the Argentine spirit of passion, melancholy, and resilience. Let its soulful melodies and intricate movements transport you to another time and place. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable culinary adventure through Argentina, a land renowned for its rich flavors and hearty traditions. This isn't just food, it's a celebration of heritage, community, and the finest ingredients. Every meal is an experience to savor. The undisputed king of Argentine cuisine is the Asado, a traditional barbecue that is both a meal and a social ritual. Savor perfectly grilled cuts of beef, pork, and chorizo, cooked slowly over an open flame to tender perfection. It's a communal feast, best enjoyed with friends and family. Indulge in the ubiquitous and utterly delicious empanadas, savory pastries filled with a variety of ingredients like spiced beef, chicken, cheese, or vegetables. Each region boasts its own unique style and flavor, making them a delightful discovery at every turn. They are the perfect snack or appetizer. Satisfy your sweet tooth with dulce de leche, a rich, caramelized milk spread that is a national obsession. Enjoy it in pastries, on toast, or simply by the spoonful. It's a creamy, sweet delight that will quickly become a favorite. Don't leave without trying it. No culinary journey through Argentina is complete without sampling its world-famous Malbec wines from the Mendoza region. Pair a robust Malbec with your asado for a truly authentic experience. The rich, fruity notes perfectly complement the grilled meats, elevating your meal. Explore local markets for fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and regional specialties. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, Argentine cuisine offers a diverse palette of flavors waiting to be discovered. It's a true feast for all the senses, reflecting the country's diverse landscapes and cultures. Venture to the southernmost city on Earth, Ushuaia, a place where the Andes Mountains plunge dramatically into the Beagle Channel. This remote outpost, often called the end of the world, offers a unique blend of rugged beauty and frontier charm. It's a destination that feels truly epic. From Ushuaia, embark on a captivating cruise along the historic Beagle Channel, named after Charles Darwin's ship. Spot diverse marine wildlife, including sea lions, cormorants, and various seabirds, against a backdrop of snow-capped peaks and pristine islands. The crisp air and stunning scenery are invigorating. Explore the pristine wilderness of Tierra del Fuego National Park, where ancient forests meet glacial lakes and dramatic coastlines. Hike through subpolar forests, kayak on serene lakes, or simply breathe in the fresh, untamed air of this remote paradise. It's a haven for nature lovers. Visit the End of the World Post Office, a quirky and charming stop where you can send postcards stamped with this unique designation. It's a fun souvenir and a tangible reminder of your journey to the edge of the continent. The sense of remoteness is palpable. Ushuaia also serves as the primary gateway for expeditions to Antarctica, making it a hub for intrepid explorers. Even if you're not heading to the White Continent, the city's adventurous spirit is infectious. It's a place where dreams of grand exploration take flight. Escape to the sun-drenched vineyards of Mendoza, nestled at the foothills of the majestic Andes Mountains. This region is Argentina's premier wine country, offering not just exceptional wines but also breathtaking landscapes and a relaxed, sophisticated atmosphere. It's a paradise for enophiles and nature lovers alike. Embark on guided tours of world-class wineries, learning about the winemaking process from grape to glass. Stroll through rows of lush vines, feeling the warm sun on your skin and inhaling the earthy aroma of the terroir. Each vineyard tells a unique story of passion and craftsmanship. Indulge in exquisite wine tastings, savoring the nuanced flavors of Mendoza's renowned Malbecs, as well as other varietals like Cabernet Sauvignon and Torrontés. Expert sommeliers will guide you through the tasting notes, enhancing your appreciation for each vintage. It's a sensory journey. Beyond the wine, the stunning mountain landscapes provide a dramatic backdrop to your visit. Imagine sipping a fine Malbec while gazing at snow-capped peaks, the air crisp and clean. The scenery alone is worth the trip, offering endless opportunities for photography and contemplation. Many wineries offer gourmet dining experiences, pairing their exceptional wines with delicious regional cuisine. Enjoy a leisurely lunch amidst the vineyards, savoring fresh, local ingredients prepared with culinary artistry. It's a truly immersive gastronomic experience that delights all senses. Journey to Peninsula Valdés, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of South America's most extraordinary wildlife destinations. This remote and windswept peninsula on Argentina's Atlantic coast is a vital breeding ground and sanctuary for an incredible array of marine life. It's a wildlife photographer's dream. From June to December, witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of southern right whales migrating to the sheltered bays to breed and calve. Take a boat tour for an up-close encounter, watching these gentle giants breach and play in their natural habitat. It's a truly moving experience. Observe vast colonies of noisy sea lions and elephant seals basking on the beaches, their sheer numbers a testament to the peninsula's rich ecosystem. Their playful antics and impressive size make for captivating viewing. You'll feel a profound connection to the wild. Peninsula Valdés is also home to large colonies of Magellanic penguins, particularly at Punta Tambo, where thousands of these charming birds waddle ashore to nest. Walk among them on designated paths, observing their daily lives in their natural environment. It's an incredibly endearing sight. Keep an eye out for the elusive orcas, known for their unique strand feeding technique where they intentionally beach themselves to catch sea lion pups. While rare, witnessing this natural hunting behavior is an unforgettable, raw display of nature's power. The entire peninsula is a living documentary. Embark on an extraordinary journey aboard the legendary train to the clouds, Trenelas Nubes, in Salta, a marvel of engineering that traverses some of the highest railway tracks in the world. This isn't just a train ride, it's an epic odyssey through the dramatic landscapes of the Argentine Andes. Ascend to dizzying altitudes, reaching over 4,200 meters, 13,800 feet, above sea level, as the train winds its way through the breathtaking Quebrada del Toro. The air thins, and the views become increasingly spectacular, revealing a world of rugged beauty. It's an engineering marvel. Marvel at the dramatic scenery, from arid deserts and colorful mountains to deep ravines and impressive viaducts that span vast chasms. The ever-changing landscape outside your window is a continuous panorama of geological wonders. Every turn offers a new, awe-inspiring vista. The train crosses iconic structures like the La Polverilla Viaduct, a towering steel bridge that stands as a testament to human ingenuity in overcoming challenging terrain. Standing on this bridge, high above the valley floor, is an exhilarating experience. It's a true feat of engineering. This journey offers a unique perspective on the remote beauty of Argentina's high Andean plateau, connecting you with the vastness and solitude of this incredible region. It's a chance to witness a landscape that feels ancient and untouched, a truly unforgettable adventure. Argentina is a land of unparalleled diversity, a tapestry woven with vibrant culture, breathtaking natural wonders, and an infectious passion for life. From the tango halls of Buenos Aires to the icy frontiers of Patagonia, every experience is designed to ignite your spirit and create memories that will last a lifetime. This isn't just a trip, it's an invitation to discover a piece of yourself in a truly extraordinary place. Don't just dream about adventure, live it. Start planning your Argentine Odyssey today. Visit our website for exclusive travel guides, connect with fellow explorers on social media, and share your own top 10 moments when you return. Your epic journey begins now. What incredible memory will you create first?